All right, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I have all my cleaning supplies. I have my water. I have my grout cleaner. Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to help you clean your grout in an easier and most effective way. So we're going to use these two materials here, and this is the secret to cleaning tile, guys. But obviously there's a technique on how to do it, and I'm going to share that with you guys. So as you look at this scrub brush, right, they do not sell these in stores for some reason. I think because people probably wouldn't know what to do with it. But as you can see, this special brush is pointed in a specific way to get to the tile grout. And I'm going to show you in this bathroom back here, and we're going to give you a demonstration on how to clean tile grout. And I know the secret to tile grout cleaning because we're going to do it without the back-breaking work. Getting on your hands and knees. We're not getting on our hands and knees, guys. I'm seeing a lot of these videos on YouTube. They're practically laying down on the tile and they're getting, I mean, there's, so many ways. Always a better way to clean, and we're not going to do back-breaking work. We're going to do it without you getting on your hands and knees. And also we're going to use this special solution. And if you miss any part of this video, guys, you will miss the secret to cleaning grout. And there is a secret to cleaning grout. I know this because, just give me an example. Go to your favorite gym, go to your favorite restaurants, and I bet you 3 out of 4 times you go to their restroom, look at their tile, look at all the dirt and grime in the tile grout. They may have clean tile and it may smell good, but that tile grout is filthy. So let's go check out this bathroom back here, and I'll give you an example of how we're going to clean that tile the easiest way. All right, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I have all my cleaning supplies. I have my water. I have my grout cleaner. And you guys got to use this one. This is the best one on the market, guys. I know by experience. And then you need a bunch of scrap towels, okay? Because most people don't have mops. And the secret is you're doing small sections at a time, guys. Because you want to clean the area, right, and then extract and clean the dirt as fast as possible, because you don't want it to keep sitting there resonating to where you clean the dirt and then it seeps right back into the grout. Does that make sense? So we're just doing a small area of the bathroom, but if you're doing big areas, the towel is not going to work, guys. You guys need, the secret is like a wet vacuum, and I'll show you what a wet vacuum looks like. To where when you're cleaning, you're extracting and vacuuming the water immediately. So I'm going to show you the example on how to use this scrub brush as a specific way. So let me get started. So the first step, guys, we're going to use this cleaner. And you don't got to go all along the lines. You can skip areas, little spaces. But here it is. You're just going to squirt the area, squirt it along the grout, and you let it sit there for 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. So we're going to assume that we let it wait for 3 minutes because this is for demonstration purposes. And then as you go along the grout, guys, you just do a little splash of water, just a little. So you take your water, and what you do is you just splash a little bit of water over the grout lines, just a little bit. And here, I'll do this little grout line too right here. So you just squirt it with the grout cleaner, splash a little bit of water, and let me show you how to hold the stick. There's a specific way. So we're going to hold the stick in between your legs at all times, because that allows all your weight and momentum to be center mass down to the towel. There's no other way you should do it. And you go in small strokes, guys, like this. Small little steps. Over here, we're going to do this line. Small little steps, guys. You're not going to do long strokes like this. No long strokes. We're going to do small little steps, guys. And then someone behind you, or if you're doing this by yourself, will come up. Just like this. So then you take your towel. We're not getting on our hands and knees, right? You take your scrap towel and go over and dry the area. And just like that, super clean, guys. Just like that, the grout is clean. So as you can see, right there, nice and clean. I did this one, and as you can look over here, it's much darker, right? So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna do this. See how the grout here is a lot dirtier. So I'll just show you how I clean that. All right, guys, from my perspective, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna lighten these grout lines. See, once the entryways are more darker, right? So we got our special cleaner right here. From my perspective, we're just gonna try to get it in the grout line as best as possible. Let it sit. No biggie. Once get a little bit of water. Splash it just a little bit. Nothing crazy at all. You don't want to get too crazy with it. Just a little bit. We got our special brush right here. Remember, in between our legs, we're gonna clean this mess. So I'm gonna try to do my perspective. Small little strokes is the secret, guys. Small little. This is the secret right here. Small little stroke. Don't have to get down on your hands and knees at all. The proof in the pudding. We're doing it. You guys know the secret now. You can own your $1 million businesses. There's so many restaurants and businesses that don't even know the secret. Look at their dirty restrooms, their dirty dining rooms, their dirty kitchens. And now, you guys know the secret to cleaning. As you can see, compared to that, look at that, right? So don't forget, guys, the best strategy is using the wet vacuum for big areas, guys. Right? For big areas, using a wet vacuum to splash the area more and to vacuum right after you clean the spot. Because you don't want the water just to sit and resonate, right? So after you're cleaning your area, right, this is a cleaner, right? You have to damp another towel when you're done cleaning the whole area, and you rinse the tile, right? You wet it and clean that tile one more time. So here we go. Doing it with one hand, guys. So let's do this area right here. See nice and we're just gonna get it in there. Splash the area with just a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Again, in between our legs. Short strokes. Not that much effort, guys. Told you I need the secret. Don't forget, when you're done cleaning your whole area, rinse the tile with the damp towel. This is why these companies, they get paid the big bucks, guys. Alright, we're going to get to the recap, guys. Don't forget, if you're going to do large areas, use that wet vacuum. Hey guys, so thanks for checking out my video on how to clean grout tile. I'm glad I was able to help you out. If you can, I'm new to YouTube, smash a like so other people can find this video. And we'll see you in the next project. See you guys later. Bye.